Alright, I was going to keep this till the weekend, but I can't help myself. Got to open it, and I'll just have to buy another box for the weekend's bust in Mildura. So here we go. Going to open a box of Chronology. That's all bent up there. Alright. Here we go. Oh, there's one really fat card in there. First card, Nate Tiny Archibald. Second card, which is a fat looking one, Daryl Griffith. Auto. Portrait. That looks pretty sweet too. You can see that. And draft pick number 33. That could have been better. And then an auto of John Paxson from the Bulls. Oh, sweet! Michael Jordan patch, number 24/99. That's pretty sweet. There you go, two colours on that one. So that's a pretty sweet card right there. A jewel. We've got Adrian Dantley and Walter Davis. Numbered 67/80, so that's a nice dual auto. And the last card is Rick Barry, numbered 250. That's a pretty sweet box. It's a nice Jordan, and Daryl Griffiths is pretty sweet looking. And that was numbered 35/99. Alright, thanks for watching.